Then I'll come back.
Finally, a sleeping period of more than 1 month before the results come out. What will you do?
Yeah. Well, I intend first next couple of days to just relax, and then perhaps go for a few days to Delhi, and then maybe my home in the hills or something like that for a couple of days.
Well, Captain Amrinder Singh spelling out what he's going to do between now and the results. The results, remember, are on the 6th of March, so it's going to be more than a month from now until we know who actually wins this election in Punjab. We know that his son Raninder is also contesting these polls, and we've also had a rare appearance from Amrinder Singh's daughter this morning when she went out to cast her vote. Let's listen in.
Public mood was for us very good. Everybody wants Captain Saab to come to power, and there was a lot of development when he was the Chief Minister in Patiala, and I think we are going to win very comfortably.
Well, in this close election battle in Punjab, all eyes are on the Akali Dal, and as I mentioned, the family feuds that have gripped the party there, with Prakash Singh Badal, the Chief Minister, contesting both against his own brother in his constituency as well as his own cousin, his nephew Manpreet Badal, who was the Finance Minister of Punjab, breaking away and forming his own party. So all eyes really to see on what kind of impact Manpreet Badal, for instance, will make on the Akali Dal vote bank. Prakash Singh Badal, at the age of 85, though, still not giving up on the Akalis. Like I said earlier, historically, no government has been voted back into Punjab for decades now. So is that trend going to change? Well, Prakash Singh Badal certainly thinks so. My colleague Kate Kiangre, in fact, spoke to the entire family this morning when they went out to vote. That's Prakash Singh Badal, his son Sukhbir, who's the Deputy Chief Minister, and Sukhbir's wife, Harsimrat Kaur Badal, who's an MP herself.
For the first time, I think in the entire election campaigning, I've seen you and your wife together, and now you're with your father as well.
Yeah, all three of us together. Today's a winning day for Akali Dal. Did you see the program?
Right. And Badal Sahab, so nice to see the whole family going together for voting.
Yes.
And what is the day looking like for you?
This will be an amazing victory.
All right.
We are winning by overwhelming seats.
All right.
It may cross 3/4.
And, you know, first time that, have you had the last 24 hours to at least relax since you've been going really on a cross country?
Came back at around 1:30 last night also.
Okay.
So no relaxation, but I'm sure after this there'll be a lot of relaxation happening. But at the moment we're looking forward to a huge landslide victory with the grace of God and with the support of people. I think it's going to do extremely well. So now we're all off to vote for my father-in-law. It's his constituency.
Okay. And, you know, how does it feel to actually be going as a family, because you've probably not had that chance in the last 10-15 days?
No, I think this is one day where the whole family gets together, because sometimes it's my election every 2.5 years and now it's his. So this is one time we all get together and go and vote. Of course, we canvass for each other and we support each other anyway.
So are you going to switch hats now from political leader to mother?
Absolutely. High time, I think. That's the need of our.
Last time you also said that, you know, relaxation tires you out.
I'm not tired. I'm more fresh today than ever.
So what will you do in the next 1 month, because there's so much time before?
Yeah, I will doing government work. It doesn't mean that the government is not functioning. Government is functioning per.
So that was the Badal family coming out in large numbers to vote. Now, Manpreet Badal, as I said, one of the key figures then in this election, the big rebel that everyone is looking at. He spoke to KK earlier this morning. He sounded pretty confident about the kind of impact his Punjab People's Party is going to have on these polls.
Manpreet Singh Badal now joining us. He's just cast his vote. A big day for you, given that there's so much at stake.
A big day for Punjab. A big day for Punjab because Punjab is looking change. Change is the flavor.